Okay, I can't see my camera that well, but this is what I'm doing. I'm just doing some mock-up. I took just an old envelope, and as you can see, I'm tracing out. I went through and measured the width, 48 inches, because I got a piece of plywood that's 48 inches, and I had it cut to 64 inches, which will go from the center rib here all the way to the center on the outside. I made a template for the other side. You can see my van's kind of messy, my apologies, but I really don't care about that because I'm cutting up for a template, and it's coming along fairly good. I'm not worried about exact, like precision, but it's gonna look decent. You know, I want it to be kind of clean. So it's 48 inches wide and 64 inches from the center rib all the way to the center rib, and I've measured 100 times. And then I go through and I cut up my template with some scissors, and I just put some masking tape wherever there's, you know, significant gaps. And yeah, that's how I'm measuring. As you can see, it comes right to the center on that. So I'll take this template and I'll go inside. I'll check it on the other side. I'll just flip it over, and I'll check it on the other side over here, and I'll go inside and trace it out with a pencil on my piece of what the hell do you call it? Plywood. So that's how I'm measuring my templates. Again, just taking measurements. I've got some styrofoam that's going to go in here. I'm going to stick it down with something simple, but the plywood's basically going to hold it in place. I am going to use these screws. I'm going to look through and see if there are any other screws that I can access, because I want to build a shelf on this side that is just as tall. So I can have a shelf right here with a fold-up table on the end where my seat is there. So yeah, that's basically how I'm doing that. And thank you guys so much for watching. My apologies with the bad video quality. I'm not a professional photographer by any means. So hopefully this helps you guys out a little bit. All right, bye-bye.